A Theory of Justice was published in year 1971 by American moral and philosopher named John Rawls. He attempted to resolve the problem of justice theory in the society. He had authored A Justice of Theory in year 1971, Justice as Fairness, a restatement in year 2002. He was the person being referred and the most important person to be in the ethics and political philosopher in the year 20th century. Rawls introduced original position as an artificial device which circulates the principles of justice theory. The device created a situation whereby every member of the population in the society comes to an contractual agreement to agree that all persons in the society would be treated equally and no one would be getting more advantages than another party. Rawls had even created an interaction such as free and fairly equally treated among the population people. John Rawls presented two principles which could avoid the veiled ignorance. The principles were the principles of equality, liberty, and the principles of equality. The principle of equal liberty here stated that all citizens has the rights of free liberty which encompasses their expression, consciences, association, and democratic rights, while the principles of equality here determines two requirements, which is the first one, the greater benefit societies will be getting more advantages, and the second, inequalities of persons who are receiving discrimination in terms of their works and employment, just in terms of their gender, ethnicity, and social backgrounds could be avoided disappointing on an individual. Rawls further argued that all people should be treated fair and equally among the natural rights which are being persuaded in the society nowadays. A theory of justice receives a lot of criticisms from several philosophers. Robert Nozick criticized the account of distributive justice in his defense. Bloom criticized Rawls for failing to account on the existence of natural rights in his theory and justice. Robert Paul criticized Rawls that Rawls argues on giving apology insofar as constructive justice and foreseeable the possibility that there may be injustices problem embedded in capitalist social relation, private property, and economy market. Moving on to Michael Sandel, the philosopher criticized Rawls that Rawls encourages people to think about justice while divorced the values and aspiration that people who they are and that allows to determine what justice are. Susan Moller criticized him for accounting the injustices and hierarchies in family problem. Economists Kenneth Arrow and John Hensley criticized the assumption of the original position itself. Perhaps Norman Daniels wondered why healthcare shouldn't be treated as a primary good, and he even broadly wanted it to be changed into Rawls vision framework instead. Many constitution empowers the schemas of preferential elements in order to elevate the status of economic, social, culture in terms of genders, minorities, and so on in certain countries. According to Rawls, principle of equality has been propounded by him in his theory. We must always remember that several principles pertaining to equality can be found under Article 8 of the Federal Constitution, and even it has been proven in one of the federal court deciding cases, namely Dato Haji Harun Haji Idris versus Public Prosecutor. One of the principles stated was the equality provision is qualified under Article 153 of the Federal Constitution. The other words equality provision is the mean of all laws that must be applied uniformly to all persons in all circumstances everywhere. Always to be remembered, true justice is about fairness and equality, such as distribution of rights and liberties.